429 Oliver 77 row crop tractor. Gas engine, nobody out here, nobody able to get 2,500. 2,500, nobody get 2,500, nobody get 2,000, nobody get 2,000, nobody get 2,000, 25, 2020, yes. That is nice straight track, that's it. You got 2,000 right here, 2250. 2250, 2,000, nobody get 22 and a half. 2250, but I'm going to 2,000, I'm going to get 22 and a half. 2,000, I'm going to get 22, but I'm going to 2250, but I'm going to 2,000, 22 and a half. Internet, you're out. 21, 2,200. 21, 22, 33, but I'm going 23, 3, but I'm going 22 and 2,300. 22, but I'm going 23, 3, but I'm going to get 3, 3, 3, but I'm going 22, but I'm going 2,300. Jake, 22 and 23, 3, but I'm going to get 3, 3, but I'm going to get 300. So 2,200. You're not.